Today, I'll show you exactly how to set up and use the meeting scheduler in HubSpot. By the end of this tutorial, you'll be able to effortlessly share a personal booking link, automate your availability, and make it easy for clients or colleagues to secure time on your calendar, all while keeping everything in sync with your existing meetings. Let's dive in and get your scheduling streamlined. The first thing you'll want to do is connect your calendar to HubSpot. This is absolutely essential because the scheduler relies on real-time access to your actual availability. Think of it like setting up a backstage pass. HubSpot needs to see your current appointments so it won't double book you, and so it can add new meetings directly to your chosen calendar. So start by heading to your HubSpot account, clicking on the little gear icon to access your settings. In the sidebar, navigate to General, and then click on the Calendar tab. Here, you'll see an option to connect your calendar. Whether you use Google Calendar, Office 365, or Exchange, just follow the prompts, grant the necessary permissions, and you're set. Don't worry if this part feels technical. It's mostly a point-and-click process, and HubSpot walks you through each step. If you're using a work account, you might get an authorization request, so keep an eye out for those pop-ups. Once you've connected your calendar, HubSpot can check your real-time availability and manage bookings for you. Now, let's create your scheduling page. This is what generates that magic link you can send out so people book meetings based on times that work for you. Head over to the Sales section in your HubSpot navigation and select Meeting Scheduler. From here, click Create Scheduling Page. You'll be asked to choose a meeting type. So let's quickly break down the options. If you're the only meeting host, go with one-on-one. If you want to set up meetings that require multiple team members to be present, select Group. And if you want meetings to automatically rotate among team members based on who's free or who's least busy, then Round Robin is perfect. Pick what best fits your workflow. On the next screens, add your event details. Give the meeting an internal name so you can keep track. Set the event title that guests will see, specify the location if you're meeting virtually, paste in a Zoom or Google Meet link, and add a short description. The clearer you are here, the smoother your guest's booking experience will be. Let's move to the Scheduling tab. This part is crucial. Here, define your available time slots. Maybe you only want meetings between 9 and 4, or never on Fridays, and that's all customizable. You also choose durations, classic options like 15, 30, or 60 minutes, and can add buffer time so you're not rushing from one call to another. Don't forget to set a minimum notice time, which protects you from surprise last-minute bookings. Next, you'll personalize the form that contacts fill out when booking. This could be as simple as asking for a name and email, or you might want to add custom questions. Maybe, what's the agenda? Or, are you bringing anyone along? The more info you gather up front, the better prepared you'll be. Before finishing up, check the Automations tab. Here, you can turn on automatic confirmation emails and set up pre-meeting reminders, say 1 day before or even an hour before the scheduled time. This not only helps your guests remember, but also reduces the chance of no-shows. Just take a minute here to run through what you want to automate. When you're satisfied, hit Create Scheduling Page. Now your meeting link is ready to go. You can grab the link directly from the Meetings Scheduler dashboard and drop it into emails, chats, or messages. There's also an embed code if you want the scheduler live on your website or a HubSpot landing page. And if you use email templates or sequences in HubSpot, you can insert the link there too. The best part? When someone books a meeting, that time slot instantly blocks itself off on your connected calendar, so you don't have to worry about conflicts. Plus, HubSpot automatically creates or updates contact records so your CRM stays current. And that's it. Setting up the HubSpot meeting scheduler puts your availability online, making scheduling easier for everyone. No more back-and-forth emails. If you found this tutorial helpful, give it a like, and drop your questions down in the comments. I'll answer as many as I can. Don't forget to subscribe for more step-by-step guides on mastering your workflow. Thanks for watching.